me, Miss LaShawn, your Storytime librarian at the North Branch Library here in Sanford, where we are going to read a story called Don't Push the Button. It's by Bill Cotter. Don't push the button. That's strange. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. No, 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 no. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Are you ready? Touch the button. Beep. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Push it. Push the button. Beep. Oh, eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. That means 2 times. Are you ready? Beep, beep. Ah! Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. Are you ready? Help me push it. Beep, 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 beep. Oh, my goodness. There's a whole bunch of them. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Are you ready to shake the book? Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh! Get him out of there, get him out of there. Almost. A little bit more. Are you ready to shake the book? Shake, 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 shake. Okay, there we go. It says here to stretch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Stretchy, stretchy, stretchy. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Beep, 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 beep. Did you push the button? The end. He's a huge Larry now. Thank you for joining me for Don't Push the Button. It is written by Bill Cotter. Great job, guys. Enjoyed you until next time.